Hey guys, it's Ryan here. I'm at a pizza place right now and I'm going to be doing a really loud burp. Here's the burp. Here's another one, guys. And here's the last one.